my health record, understandable concerns in the community about the privacy and security of personal health data, and from the outset we need to be really vigilant and transparent, particularly with that initiative around the security of our health data. But I want to put it in perspective a little bit. We are facing an enormous challenge to transform our healthcare system, and we have a wonderful opportunity to bring in smart health care and better services, better patient treatment throughout the country. The threat narrative should be replaced with a more optimistic narrative about how digital technology can support better health system. Let's just take the patient journey for a minute. The pre-admission phase, when really there's a focus on wellness and prevention of going into hospital or being sick. There's a raft of enabling technologies to improve our wellness for us as individuals, take ownership of our health. The admission process and triage point in the value chain. How can allied health professionals and doctors quickly understand our symptoms and at a glance get to treatment quickly? Then there's the stage of in-hospital treatment. How can that be accelerated with better health outcomes? And then down the back end, if you like, of the patient journey is the rehab phase, the importance of adherence to medication use, physio, multiple health professionals supporting. One overriding theme is this personalization of healthcare that is now possible with a bunch of tools and a bunch of techniques made available to us through the digital changes we see. The second is really around new business models that are popping up. Take AI Cure, Artificial Intelligence Cure is the name of a new business. It focuses on that rehab space, reducing hospitalization, increasing scrutiny on medication management, medication adherence to avoid adverse drug effects and so on. It's a new business, it's online. Take Babylon, a subscription model for the provision of physician services, another business model that's propped up in that value chain. Take some of the ones more at the front end around genomics and prevention and detection. So we have a fabulous opportunity to leverage these startups, to work with government on regulation, to ensure that, importantly, vigilance and transparency on the privacy and security of our health data is foremost, but not get caught up in a threat narrative about someone using our health data. It's an optimistic narrative about better healthcare in a digital era. We'll talk more about this stuff as it comes along. We look forward to you looking at our videos and our website.